Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Ananta. Thanks a lot for the appreciation, and I'm really grateful to you for sending me the donations and the energy exchange. It's extremely overwhelming to see that the readings are resonating with you. So please keep continuing to watch the channel and stay tuned for many more readings. So I'm back today with another reading, and this is to tell you what's in store for you for September 2020. Please remember it's a general reading, so it may or may not, resonate with your situation completely. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. It's a pick a card reading. I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1 with the Mystic Monday tarot cards, and I've used the crystal, which is the peach moon, and also I'm using moonology cards for guidance for pile number 1. For pile number 2, I've used the golden quartz with the Rider Waite deck, and I'm using the mystical wisdom cards for your guidance, and I'm using the clear quartz for the third pile with the art of tarot deck and miracle cards. So please take your time and see which pile is attracting you, which energies are calling you for your respective pile. You could put the video on hold and then take your time and choose your pile. Think about your situation. This is for September 2020, what it's bringing to you. So I've mentioned the timestamps in this description below. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 1. What does September 2020 have in store for you? People who've chosen pile number 1, please think about your situations. Please think about what you really want, what are your desires, what you really want to manifest for September. The more you concentrate, the more accurate the results come out for you. People who've chosen pile number 1, I definitely see that there is a lot of confusion, there is a lot of stress on your mind at present, and you are very anxious, very worried. You are really feeling of, like there's a feeling that you've lost the battle, you're feeling extremely alone, you're wanting to just move away from people. In the past also there's been a lot of stress and anxiety on your mind. So let me assure you that September 2020 is bringing balance back to your life. Whatever lost, you've lost a battle, you've lost friends, you've had fights, you've lost, respect. Anything that, has been taken away from you in the past or in the present is coming back to you. You're gaining back your respect, your dignity. I see perfection and accomplishment in your life, and it's just a matter of these few 9-10 days which are left of this particular month, which will really make you feel extremely exhausted and extremely tired. You're feeling extremely overburdened. So just hang on, and just whatever time is left, try to just move on with whatever is happening, because September is bringing you extremely positive luck, positive vibes. Things are coming back to control. You are going to be the magician of your life. You will take your decisions the way you want to. Whatever confusions are there in your minds are getting clear, and I definitely see success, or maybe the things that you want that they should happen are, you're right on the right track. Things start moving for you, and your plans, whatever you've thought, will start showing you results. You will start executing them. On the relationship front also, if you're feeling bogged down, if you're feeling things are not working out, let me assure you that everything comes back to normal, everything gets back to control. You just need to keep the spirit of determination in you. The spirit of really winning needs to be there in you. Like I just said, that this last leg of August is definitely going to be the toughest for you. You're going to be very overburdened or exhausted, feeling of like that the last hope is also gone. That kind of a feeling is there in these last few days to just push yourself hard and get back the feeling of victory. I definitely see success on the cards for people who've chosen this particular pile. Things again start becoming strong for you. Your foundation again starts building, and your hard work is definitely going to pay off. You will start, like I just said, you will be on the right track. You will be taken on the right path which is meant for you. And this confusion, this weighing, or this contemplation that you are doing, maybe for some of you it's also an involvement of a third person at the moment in any situation, your career, your job, in your relationships. That's why you're so anxious. That's why you're feeling that things are really bad. And I definitely see that this particular time is very devastating for a lot of you. So this is all definitely clearing up, and you will be able to make the right choices whether to be or not to be in a particular job or a relationship, or whether to remain with the same partners in business, or whatever decision, whatever contemplations that are going on in your mind, and you really need to make these choices. I see you being victorious. I see you emerging victorious, as well as taking the right decisions and coming out with flying colors. I definitely see a struggle getting over, and yes, success is on the cards for you in September 2020. Your hard work is paying off. I see you putting in efforts, and I see you gaining the results. And also, let me assure you, even though this is just a September reading, but let me assure you that the next 4 months from now are very positive for you. And also, control comes back in your life. I just said that you will be the magician in your life. I see celebration on the cards also. Things that are out of control for you are definitely getting back. For people who are wanting help, especially in terms of finances, and have faced rejection in the past or even in the present, please be assured that you will get help. Whatever you're feeling at the moment, extreme stress is definitely fading off. Things are getting better. And again, I'm assuring you that it is a beautiful phase that is awaiting you, and a blissful time for you to enjoy, cherish, make memories, and to enjoy wonderful moments that are planned for you. Unexpected happiness coming your way, unexpected things that you never even thought of, partnerships, relationships suddenly start blooming, whether fresh or old, or fresh or new. And you will suddenly start feeling that, again I'm repeating, that everything will start coming under control. You will again start feeling that you are the master of your life. You are the person who can take charge of your life, whatever you want, the way you wanted things to happen all through. That's what September 2020 is bringing to you by number one. So just push yourself for this last segment of August. Bear with all this negativity that surrounds you and what's bogging you down, and just be rest assured that a positive beginning awaits you. And it's time to release your negativity. That's what the Moonology cards are telling you. So whatever you've gone through or you're going through, now start to forget this. Let it just start fading off. Let it just start let it remove get removed from your mind, so that you're ready to embark a new journey, a new beginning. And just give out this negativity. And it's time to just give it out, and wait for the new. A win-win outcome is on the forecast for you, people who've chosen pile number one. So just, it's a matter of few days for you. A powerful change is definitely coming in your life, which is an extremely positive one. So September 2020 definitely brings you a lot of happiness. Again, it starts, it's bringing you hope. It's bringing you your whatever you've lost in the past. Maybe you've lost some, like I said in the beginning, some kind of an argument, something, some success. It could be you've lost your dignity, or your fame, your respect that you had built. Something that has really disturbed you in this particular time is definitely now here to change. This powerful change is bringing extreme good luck in your life. So just release all the negativity, like the Moonology cards have just guided you to do. Just release this negativity, because once you release this, then only you are ready to take on a new chapter in your life. So that was for you, pile number 1. I hope the reading was beneficial and resonant for you. And please leave in your comments and feedbacks in the comments section. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2. Please think about your situation. Think about what really you want from September. What are you waiting for September? And whatever's going on in your life at the moment, whether you're happy, whether you're anxious, anything that's going on, just think about it. People who've chosen this particular pile. I'm going to shuffle the cards for you, and while shuffling, the more you try to connect with these cards and the more you try to concentrate on your situation, the more it helps you to get better results. And it's your connection actually which matters, and you need to just be clear and focused and concentrate on your situations, on your questions, as well as on the cards. So let's see what's in store for people who've chosen pile number 2. What is September 2020 bringing you? People who've chosen pile number 2, I definitely see that there is divine intervention right now, presently in your life, and things are going smooth. I will not say whether they are going according to your wishes or not, but yes, to quite some extent, I see things under control. Also, I see that there may be some things which you haven't really put your focus on, or you've just postponed them, or you feel that they really don't need your attention at the moment, so you've left them. And there is definitely a feeling of that go-getter feeling is there in you, whether it's in terms of relationships, you want the best, whether it's in terms of your career, finances, anything. But whatever you're doing, you definitely seem to be reaching great heights, because there is, like I just said, there are blessings coming from the Almighty. So September 2020 is definitely bringing a lot of hard work on your end. You need to really work hard from your side to do anything, whether it's new partnerships, whether it's relationships that are already there in your life. You need to work for them. Working hard doesn't mean that there is a negative phase or things are not moving according to you. It just means that the effort from your end needs to be more. And I also see that there is a little bit of like I just said, hard work. There is definitely a waiting period on the cards for you. You will do your hard work, and then eventually the results are coming out. But yes, let me assure you, positive results are there. A lot of you who are who have got stuck or have piled up a lot of their emotions, mental, emotional clutter that's there in their mind. September 2020 needs you to just release all that, and then only you can start your new journeys. You can think of new beginnings. I definitely see a positive outcome for you all, but things happen slowly and things happen in phases. There is definitely a little waiting period for you, but I already said that things are already going smooth for you, so nothing to worry about. People who've chosen pile number 2, September 2020 definitely brings a lot of balance in your life. Maybe you have planned some things in a certain way or for a certain time, but destiny wants you to go slow and steady. Destiny wants you to work hard, put in more efforts so that you get better results. So certain things just go according to what has been planned. Yes, cards are very positive. Your wishes are coming true, your desires are coming true, but yes, with a lot of hard work, with a lot of weight. A beautiful time for you to meditate, a beautiful time for you to self-realize, analyze, and also be assured that your intuitions, your gut feeling is going to be very strong. Especially for women who've chosen pile number 2, you need to tap your spiritual side so that you get very positive results, and you get your own answers. Your intuition becomes very powerful. Your faith, your beliefs, your spiritual connection, once that becomes very powerful, nothing is impossible for you. And a beautiful time for people who want to start planning a family. This is the right time to hit your creativity. People who are in the creative field, good news is on the cards for people who are thinking of family planning or who are already in the process, there is very good news. Women, this is a beautiful time for you. September 2020, women who've chosen this particular pile number 2, it's a beautiful time for you. Let's see what the mystical wisdom cards are guiding you regarding 2020. Don't shy away from hard work. Don't shy away from basically working hard. It's all right. Results are positive. So I think even the work, even the hard work shouldn't really, you shouldn't really mind doing extra efforts, because when you know that the cards, then the stars are on your side and things are positive, it's the right time to, just deal with the situations that you've been avoiding. And what do the guidance cards tell you? Spiritual growth, pursue spiritual growth. And I just said that. It's amazing to see how both the cards just say the same thing. So please, this is a time of enlightenment and you need to pursue spiritual growth. I just said that. Try to meditate. Meditation will really help you go a long way. And self seek answers for yourself. Make your intuition better. Give yourself the answers. It's nothing better than giving out your own, fighting your own battles through your own intuitions and your own gut feelings. It is really a wonderful time. And also you need to discover change. So courage. So like I just said, this is a beautiful time, but you need to work hard. There's a little bit of struggle, but a positive struggle. It's just that your efforts become double. So you just need to discover your courage and be ready to take on this new journey or this new exciting adventure that's coming in your life, or something that you really want to achieve. For that, just be ready to discover the courage in yourself, that you yourself will be surprised that, wow, I didn't know I had I was worth this, and I really didn't know that I had this kind of a talent in me, or this kind of hard work. I could really do this kind of effort. Anything that requires it, efforts from your side. Don't be lazy or don't get distracted. Just put in your best and see that the results are definitely there for you. And also, please, if you people are, if some of you have set out some high goals for yourself, or are running after something which actually is not meant for you, if things are not working out in a relationship and you've done your best, then try to embrace the truth that maybe it's actually not worth it. I'm really just wasting time. You need to know what exactly you are asking for, and that will only come once you really self-analyze. Because I already said that things are going smooth for you, people who've chosen this particular pile. And also there is divine intervention. That's what I saw in the beginning, that you are blessed souls. So actually it's very important for you to firstly embrace the truth, really see what you are actually seeking for, what you're really running after. And also the final card, that the guidance card, is gratitude. Be grateful for all that you have. So I think it's just confirmed, and it's really amazing to see how my cards just combine with one another and give out the best answers possible. That this is you are already blessed. You should just be grateful. You've already been given a lot by the Almighty. So first, be in an attitude of gratitude, be grateful, and then actually think about what you really want. This is a beautiful time for spiritual growth. So please make the most of it. September 2020 is a time for you to actually tap your spirituality. First, introspect and try and see, self-realize, seek the truth. Try to know what you're actually looking for, whether in terms of relationships, in terms of career, and then move ahead with your actual desires. Work hard, put in your best efforts, and the results are definitely there, and they are definitely positive for you, pile number 2. So I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedbacks in the comments section. You could also send in your requests. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3. Please concentrate on your situation. People who've chosen pile number 3, think about what you really want from September 2020. You yourself can manifest whatever you desire by just, trying to concentrate and really believing in what you want, and try to connect with the cards. Connection is the key. So people who've chosen this particular pile number 3, I firstly see that there were certain things, or there are certain things that you have just put your attention away from, and you're not really focusing on a lot of things. Maybe they are just not really important in your life, or you think that this is not the right time for you to really concentrate on them. You are definitely in a phase where you want to be carefree. You want to just go, like, get set go. You want to let go of your past. I definitely see celebrations on the cards at the moment. So things are definitely going good for you at this point in time. Things are great for you, and you're ready to just get set go, leave the past, and take on a new journey. You really want to explore. You want to have, you want this new, you want a new adventure in your life, whether in terms of job, career, relationships. You are in a mode of celebration already, and there are a few confusions on your mind, but yes, you are definitely clear that you want a new change. So let me assure you first of all that this confusion is clearing, and you are going to be in high spirits. There's going to be peace, there's going to be prosperity. Black is black, white is white. Clarity is coming in your mind of exactly what you want. Relationships are here to bloom in September 2020 for people who've chosen pile number 3. Whatever stress or whatever problems that maybe you had in the past, or like I just said, some nitty-gritties, they are definitely fading off. Finances are here to like really bloom, and love is in the air for people who've chosen pile number 3. A beautiful card for relationships, a beautiful time for relationships. For people who actually who are worried about their relationships, this is a wonderful time coming your way. Commitments, beautiful commitments, beautiful maybe marriages on the cards for a lot of you. New beginnings, like I just said, that you're ready to embark a new journey. You want to take that risk. You want to just be carefree and go ahead. Maybe you want to start a new venture, some new business, some new partnership. Definitely things are on the like you're on a roll. This is a beautiful time for you people who've chosen pile number 3. Don't be scared that things will just come down with a crash or with a bang. Maybe you've had some hardships in the past, so don't let those hardships or those problems or those tensions hold you back. Don't feel scared of stagnancy, and don't take stress about the things. If you had failures in the past, or if you're feeling that what if I fail, let me assure you, this is a beautiful, hopeful time. New beginnings, new opportunities coming your way, and successes on the cards. That's the main thing. For a lot of you, reunion is on the cards. Maybe your partnerships are happening with people who you already know, or maybe with old friends. Like, and I just said that this is a beautiful time for relationships. Relationships are here to bloom. Hard work is definitely there. You have to put in your efforts, but these efforts are here to give you great results. Balance is on the cards. People who've chosen this particular pile, balance is there in your life. You might be feeling that you want to achieve more, or you want some kind of a that you need that extra push. So let me assure you that your time has come. Don't feel overburdened, don't feel stressed about working hard, because contentment is there on the cards. You will be extremely happy and content. Whatever confusions are there on your mind regarding anything at the moment, or even in the time to come, while you're in this process of achieving new greater heights, whatever confusions come in your mind, be rest assured that they are coming to you with the with the hope that you will be able to decide the best. You are already on that path of achieving the best for yourself. The the stage is set for you. And women, this is a beautiful time for you. especially women who want to start their own setup, people who are dependent on others. This is a wonderful time for you. Pile number 3, if you've chosen this pile, you can just, take that plunge. If you've been at home since long, if you wanted to do something new for yourself, if you want to start a new business, anything that requires you to gain courage and just go ahead, this is the time for you. So just, embrace this, journey and go ahead. Beautiful time. What is best for you is for you. This is the time for you. You will make the right decisions. You will be able to do everything correctly. Celebration is on the cards, and beautiful time for lovers, beautiful time for relationships, beautiful time for you to, say that, we're just going to propose your partner or propose that person who you've been wanting to. You will not regret it. It is a beautiful time for you, people who've chosen pile number 3. Let's see what the guidance is for you. Negative planetary influences are warding off, and please just be be consistent with your hard work. And I just said that don't shy away from working hard, because when you know that the results are wonderful, just keep doing it. And there are challenges, but there is nothing to fear, because no ill effects are there in any way. Your planets are very positive. So just go ahead, and you will be charged with a dashing and magnetic personality, a very powerful personality to achieve whatever you want. Yes, this card helps you in fulfilling your dreams and desire. These are miracle cards, and these miracle cards, they manifest whatever is written in them, them for you. So yes, the cards are definitely going to make sure that your dreams and desires are fulfilled. Fame and prosperity is entering your life. People who've chosen this particular pile, the kind of the kind of walks of life you are in, the kind of genres you are in, whoever needs fame, whoever needs that kind of push or some kind of prosperity in your life, this is the time for you to gain that. Also be grateful to the Almighty for whatever is there in your life and whatever is coming, and make sure that whatever you're asking for is, clarity of thought is important. I just said you're confused, but this confusion is definitely fading away. So make sure that clarity of thought is there. Be happy in the simple things in life. Great spiritual growth coming your way, and good news is on the cards for you. That's the main thing, that you are going to receive some kind of good news. It confirms that the angels are watching you and protecting you. So be rest assured, whatever is coming in your mind. I just said also, if you want to take that plunge, if you want to just, with that attitude of being set free and letting go of your past, letting go of whatever has troubled you in the past, and going ahead with the belief that yes, this is meant for me and I will not fail. I will, the Almighty has already taken my protection, and it's there here to just to protect me. So have that faith in the Almighty and just embark on this new adventurous journey that you really want to. So that was for you, people who chose pile number 3. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments, requests and your feedbacks in the comment section. Also, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much once again for being there, and I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. I'll be signing off now, and take care and stay safe.